Hello, it's Victor Statov from Kargopag State University. Subject of our lesson is use of special data infrastructure for emergency prevention.
As usual, emergency agencies cover the following missions: public security risk prevention and assessment, planning safeguards and implementing emergency measures, life, property and environment protection, emergency assistance to people who have suffered an accident, damage, or a disaster, as well as their evacuation. These missions from the special data management and specific activity support could be grouped into three themes: preventions, forecasting, and operations. In this lesson, we will create a new schema. Open PG admin file. The application should open in your default web browser with a pane on the left side of the window labeled Browser. Within the browser, you should see a tree with the servers on the top. Double-click on that server to open a connection to it. If you are logged yet, you can see this tree. But if you are not logged, you can enter the password you defined earlier for the Postgres account when you installed the software. You should know at least 3 nodes within the localhost servers: databases, login group roles, and table spaces. In the databases list, you should see at least one starter database Postgres. It was created when you installed Postgres. Now we want to create a new database that is specific to our desire to use the PostGIS functionality. Right-click on the database list and choose Create Database. In the Create Database dialog set the database, and from owner list select the Postgres username. So we can see new database, name it Risk Management. Now click on this newly created database to expand its list of contents. Right-click on Extensions and select Create Extension. In the Create Extension dialog, under the General tab, set the name to PostGIS. In the same dialog, select the definition and set the version to 251. 244. And we click the save. We will next concern ourselves with schemas. In Postgres database, schemas are the containers for a set of related tables. Generally speaking, when you begin a new project, you want to create a new schema. Expand schemas list here. Right click on schema and select create schema. Set the owner, set the name, and we can click save. So now we create extension and schemas.